Hi everybody, I hope you can hear me okay. I'm a bit muffled actually. I'll just move this out the way so the sound's probably better. So I have found myself this afternoon at Low Head for the third or fourth time. But the thing today, and I'll just point this around the other way so you get a good idea. The swell is up a little bit, but the tide is very high because of a unseasonal storm that's coming through Bass Strait. So as you look straight out there, there's actually quite a severe weather warning in place, probably for later tonight around midnight. So what I was hoping for is that it would be quite spectacular, and there might be gaps in the sunset. So earlier in the week I tried to get a sunset at Greens Beach, but it was disastrous because it was 100% cloud cover. But here at the moment it's probably 85-90% cloud cover, but there are some breaks and it might make for a really nice sunset. So just a matter of fingers crossed and see what happens. I'm probably 40-45 minutes away from that all happening. But look, there's a bit of action happening here, and the last time I was here it was at low tide, and that was great for showing off the rocks. But the views looking towards the lighthouse and the navigation light in the White Tower immediately below it, it really does make for a pretty good view at the moment. So let's just hope that the rain stays away, because I've been dodging the rain. But I have been able to get some pretty dramatic photographs so far. So let's hope it continues for the next 45 minutes or so. And let's hope they're good, and if they are, here they are.